Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking Google Storage so you know what to target. Open Settings and view the storage breakdown. This tells you if Gmail is the main consumer. Next, sort emails by size and delete conversations with large attachments. Save essential files to Drive or an external disk first. While you're at it, empty spam and trash to free immediate space. Once done, the used percentage should drop, and you'll be ready to move into targeted cleanups and archive strategies. Now dig into targeted removals using Gmail search operators. For example, type has, attachment larger, 10M to find big files fast. Go through results and either delete, archive, or export attachments you need to keep. If you use labels for newsletters or receipts, bulk select and remove entire label threads to clear space quickly. Make sure to download any attachments you want to keep to local storage or another cloud account before deleting. This focused approach reduces clutter. Finish by optimizing storage and preventing recurrence. Move large but important files into Drive, compress attachments, or enable lower quality backup for photos to save space. Then reduce future inflow, unsubscribe from newsletters, create filters to auto-archive or delete low-value mail, and limit attachments. Make sure to empty trash and check storage after these changes to confirm success. If you still hit limits, try signing out and back in. Clear browser cache or use Google Storage Manager. These troubleshooting steps often resolve syncing anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.